Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best DJI upcoming drones that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the DJI Neo Mini Drone, a compact and lightweight drone designed for effortless flying and superb 4K video capture. Weighing just 135 grams, this drone is regulation-friendly and doesn't require FAA registration, perfect for beginners or casual flyers. Its standout feature is the ability to take off and land directly from your palm, making it incredibly easy to operate. Plus, it includes built-in propeller guards for safety, so you can fly indoors or outdoors without worrying about damaging the drone or your surroundings. The Neo Mini Drone delivers stabilized 4K video footage, even in windy conditions, thanks to DJI's advanced stabilization technology. It also boasts AI-powered subject tracking and quick shots modes, allowing you to capture dynamic shots with minimal effort. Whether you're filming a family gathering or vlogging during a hike, this drone is designed to make aerial photography accessible to everyone. The included carrying case and foldable landing pad add convenience, making it easy to transport and set up. While the Neo Mini Drone offers great value to beginners, it's not without its limitations. The absence of a traditional remote controller may feel restrictive for users who prefer precise manual control. Additionally, the drone relies heavily on the DJI Fly app, which has compatibility issues on some platforms. Despite these drawbacks, the Neo Mini Drone is an excellent choice for casual users who value simplicity, portability, and high-quality video output. At number 3, we have the DJI Atom 2 drone, a highly capable drone that packs impressive imaging performance into a compact, regulation-friendly design. Weighing under 249 grams, this drone doesn't require FAA registration, making it a great option for hobbyists. Its standout feature is the 8K photo capability, combined with 4K HDR video recording, powered by a 1/5 Sony CMOS sensor for exceptional detail and color accuracy. The 3-axis gimbal ensures silky smooth footage, even during dynamic flights. One of the highlights of the Atom 2 is its AI-powered tracking and night shot capabilities. With modes like Spotlight, Solo, and Parallel, the drone can lock onto targets and produce cinematic shots effortlessly. It also excels in low-light conditions, thanks to its f1.8 aperture and advanced pixel technology. The 10-kilometer transmission range with PixSync 4.0 technology ensures stable, interference-free communication, while features like dolly zoom, slow motion, and quick shots make it easy to create professional-grade content. The Atom 2 Flymore combo includes 3 batteries for a total flight time of 96 minutes, along with a fast-charging hub and a shoulder bag for added convenience. While it delivers great value for its price, the drone's slightly higher cost compared to entry-level models may deter budget-conscious buyers. Additionally, its advanced features might be overwhelming for complete beginners. Nevertheless, the Atom 2 is a fantastic choice for intermediate users who need superior imaging capabilities and creative shooting modes. At number 2, we have the DJI Mini 4K, a budget-friendly drone that delivers exceptional value for its price. Priced at just $299, this drone is perfect for beginners who want to explore aerial photography without breaking the bank. Weighing under 249 grams, the Mini 4K doesn't require FAA registration for recreational use, making it accessible to everyone. Its 4K UHD camera, paired with a 3-axis gimbal, ensures cinematic quality footage. While its intelligent flight features, like quick shots and GPS return to home, provide a seamless flying experience. What sets the Mini 4K apart is its impressive wind resistance, up to level 5, and 10 kilometers video transmission range, which are rare at this price point. Whether you're filming landscapes, cityscapes, or family gatherings, the drone delivers crystal clear imagery with minimal effort. With a maximum flight time of 31 minutes on a single battery, you'll have plenty of time to capture all your desired shots. Its beginner-friendly features like one-tap takeoff/landing and stable hovering make it a great choice for first-time flyers. While the Mini 4K offers incredible value, it does have a few limitations. Advanced users may find its feature set somewhat basic, and the reliance on the DJI Fly app, which must be downloaded from DJI's website due to Google Play compatibility issues, could be inconvenient for some. However, these minor drawbacks don't take away from the fact that the Mini 4K is one of the best entry-level drones on the market. And finally, at number 1, we have the DJI Mini3 Flymore combo. This premium drone is the ultimate choice for enthusiasts and professionals alike, offering a perfect blend of performance, features, and convenience. Priced at $719, the Mini 3 is packed with advanced capabilities, including 4K HDR video recording with dual native ISO fusion for stunning detail in both highlights and shadows. Its true vertical shooting mode is ideal for capturing tall landmarks or creating content for social media platforms like Instagram or TikTok. What truly sets the Mini 3 apart is its extended battery life. With 3 intelligent flight batteries included in the Flymore combo, you get up to 114 minutes of flight time, more than enough for extended shooting sessions. Its level 5 wind resistance and 3-axis mechanical gimbal ensure stable footage even in challenging conditions, while the 10-kilometer HD video transmission range provides a reliable connection for exploring vast landscapes. The included DJI RC remote controller features a built-in 5.5-inch HD display, eliminating the need for a smartphone during operation. While the Mini 3 Flymore combo is undeniably impressive, its higher price point may not be suitable for budget-conscious buyers. However, for those who need top-tier performance and extended flight capabilities, this drone is worth every penny. Whether you're a content creator, hobbyist, or professional filmmaker, the Mini 3 is the best choice for capturing breathtaking aerial shots with ease. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.